You have been posting videos on YouTube and you are still getting 0 views on your YouTube videos. Well, you are not alone, because this is a stage where most of the YouTubers actually quit. So today I decided to make a breakdown of 3 biggest reasons why your YouTube videos are not getting views, why they are stuck on 0 views. In the past 4 years, we've been learning how to repair mobile phones on this channel. And most of my friends has been asking me in the DM that why is it that anytime they post a video on YouTube, their videos are always stuck on 0. Nobody is clicking on their videos. So I decided to make this video to you to be able to explain to you the 3 biggest reasons why your videos are not being clicked, why your videos are always stuck on 0 views. One reason why your videos is getting stuck on 0 views is because of the title and the thumbnail. Now, the title and the thumbnail is very, very important for your content, because the thumbnail is the gateway to your content. Meanwhile, the title is more like the hook. The YouTube algorithm doesn't care how good your content is if nobody is clicking on it, which is why it is very, very important to look at your thumbnail and your title very, very closely before you start uploading. And how do you fix these issues? To fix this, before you start uploading any video on your channel, first of all, you need to take a good look at the title and the thumbnail and ask yourself that, is this clickable? You need to inspire yourself by other YouTubers who are creating the same content in your own niche to be able to adapt the same ideas. And this will help you to improve your titles and your thumbnails. Now, the second reason why your YouTube videos are getting stuck on 0 views is because of the retention. The retention is how much time people spend in watching your YouTube videos. The YouTube algorithm promotes videos that people are spending much time watching it. So if your video is not interesting, people are likely going to swipe the video to the next video. And this is going to send signal to the YouTube algorithm. And once the YouTube algorithm says that people are not interested in that content, automatically they will stop recommending it. And that will get your video stuck in 0 views. So if you want to fix this particular problem, you need to be able to work on the 10 to 30 seconds of your videos. You need to capture the attention of your viewers with the first 10 to 30 seconds of your videos. It is very important. Offer value. You must give the audience a reason to keep watching your videos. That is what maintains the retention. The retention is how long they spend watching that particular video. So the more you keep people engaged in your videos, the more YouTube is going to recommend your video to large audience, and that is going to trigger the algorithm to keep promoting your video, and your video will likely go viral. Now, the third reason why your YouTube videos is always stuck on 0 views is because you might be making the wrong videos. Yes, you might be making the wrong videos. YouTube is a search engine where people search for different topics and different videos. So if your content is not searchable, if people are not searching for your type of content, your video content is likely going to stay invisible. Yes, so for you to fix this particular problem, you need to understand that here on YouTube, you don't just post anything that you feel like posting. You need to post what the audience wants. You need to post something that it is searchable. That is why you need to use the YouTube search engine. You can also use the TubeBuddy app, VDIQ, or other apps that you can use to search for ideas, search for content that people are likely to search more on YouTube. And this is going to give you ideas that will help you to create videos that people are looking for. And once people are searching for your videos, automatically your videos will start popping up and YouTube will start recommending your videos to more people. This is the essential part of the YouTube algorithm. Listen, getting 0 views on your YouTube videos is very frustrating, but that is not the end. Every big YouTuber started with 0 views, but the difference is we never stop, and we can never stop, at least not now. You need to keep doing it. It has to be your passion. The more you do it, the more you get better. If you do not post that video, you may never get better. So every video you post will give you a lesson. You learn from it, you improve from it, and you keep moving from there. So there is no reason why you should quit because you are not getting any views. And like I told you, I'm on a journey to hit 100K, and I want to share with you my experience in this journey, how I'm going to achieve this. And I want you to join me because from now to the next 30 to 60 days, I will be hosting a serious coaching on how to grow a successful YouTube channel. Many channels are being paid to teach these topics, but trust me, we are going to do this for free.